So today I'm going to be teaching you how you can make easy, simple pasta for your children. Okay, so today I'm going to be using this pasta. Yeah, so just pour it on the pot. I've already boiled hot water, so I'm going to pour the hot water on it. Yep, very easy. All right, that's it. So I'm going to put on the gas. Yep, so I'm going to just use this to stir so that the water will move. So that's it. So as this is boiling, I'm going to be putting cooking egg by the side. So I'm cooking this pasta with leftover stew that I have at home. Yeah. So here I'm going to be adding this egg on the pot. Yep, that's the egg. The egg is already washed. So as it cooks, I'm just going to cover the pot for the pasta and allow it to cook. So this is my leftover stew. This is the only ingredient I'll be using. Here is my leftover stew. Okay, so these are the only ingredients I will be using for this pasta, quick pasta. This is leftover stew, and this is egg. Okay, so this egg will boil. I will mix everything together. So let's wait and as the pasta cook. So allow your pasta to be cooked very well. So I will come back and show you the last bit of it. So the pasta is done. So now I'm going to be adding the almighty leftover stew. This is why I always love to have stew in my house, because you can cook it, you can use it for different dishes, you know. See how it's turning now. See how it's turning out. Wonderfully. Turning out amazingly. See? Alright, that's the egg. So turn it over. Children food is ready. If you're a mother, do this to save you time. Okay, have surplus stew, and can use it to make different dishes. So food is ready. Who is coming to join my children to eat? Yeah, thank you for watching.